Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so look, last time I did my video, maybe 2 videos ago, I said that every time I wash my hair, I was gonna try a new deep conditioner until I find the one that I like, since I can't find the one that I really like in the store. So, my hair is busted and dusted. The last video, I 2-strand twisted my hair and then I wore half up, half down. So, it's been in the scarf for like 2 days. It's early in the morning, everybody's still asleep. So, while they sleep, I'm gonna go ahead and deep condition my hair. Yeah. I'm gonna wash and deep condition my hair. I'm gonna wash it off camera and then I'll come back like I did last time and put the conditioner on and you see my first reaction about it. The conditioner that I'm gonna be using is the TGIN. I don't know, all the reviews on YouTube were good about this, were great, not good about this, they were great. So hopefully this works. If it doesn't, we'll move on to the next one until I find the one that I like. We'll see. So I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair off camera and then I'll come back. Hey, by the way, do you guys like my new glasses? Oh, they're so cute. And I can see, okay? It's crazy how in 1 year your eyes can change. So, yeah. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and wash my hair off camera and then I'll come back. Okay, so now that I got my hair washed in section, I'm going to do like I did last time. Here's the first section and here's the product. So I'm going to open it on camera like I did last time and give my real and honest opinion on it. Okay. This smells like an apple. Or like candy or something. Oh, this smells good. It says black castor oil. Let me see. Yes, this smells way better than the last product that I used. It smells like a spray, a body spray. It smells good. So let's go ahead and apply it to my hair. Yeah, or a candle or something. Oh yeah, it smells way better. Okay. It's very slippery, if you're wondering. It smells way better, if you're wondering. This almost reminds me of shampoo on my hair. I don't know, it's not gonna give me a headache, I can tell you that. Okay, I'm gonna detangle. Yeah, I definitely like this one better so far. The real test is washing it out. Yeah. Okay, so I like it so far. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and put the rest of it throughout my hair. And then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, so I got all the product applied, and I must say I'm liking this, again, way better than the last deep conditioner that I used. First of all, this product, I have to mention, is more runny or liquidy than the conditioners that I'm used to. So I only had to use one pack, which is rare. I normally have to use a pack and then half of another one. So I'll save this for another time when I decide to deep condition my hair. This, it smells so good. It smells like appley or something. So, I apply the product all over my head. I'm gonna let me see how long it says sit. It says for maximum penetration, cover hair with warm towel. It says 3 minutes and rinse out. I'll probably leave it in there for about 20 minutes and then rinse it out. I wanted to show you guys what my curls was looking like. I had pinned all of them up like this, and then I took this one down. And I wanted to show you guys what my curls were looking like with this in. Like, it did not look like this with the last product. So let me show you. So this will be one of the products I for sure use before I do a wash and go. I almost want to go buy some of her products and see how it does with 2-strand twists. But as right now, we're just focusing on getting my curls back. So I'm going to go ahead, put a shower cap on, take a quick shower, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. But right now, I am, look at that, look at my curls. I'm like so cute. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, y'all. Here's, wow. My curls are popping. I just rinsed it out. I kept it in maybe 30 minutes total because I had to shower. I did follow the instructions on the packet. I didn't sit under no dryer. So I put it in my hair, put the towel, I put the shower cap on and put the towel on for 3 minutes. I warmed it up in the microwave, a hot towel, and I kept it on for 3 minutes, and then I hopped in the shower. And then I did it again once I got out the shower. I'm sure the steam in the shower helped a little bit because I didn't sit under no dryer, but yeah, this is what my hair is looking like right now. My hair is very shiny. I don't know if you can tell on camera. Probably not. My hair is very shiny, which I'm very happy about. Would I use this again? Absolutely. I don't think this is something I would use every time I need a deep conditioner though. I probably use this maybe once a month, or maybe once every other month. I don't know, because it's a protein treatment, so, you know, protein can be good and sometimes it can be bad. So do your own research on that. But yeah, I think I almost want to go purchase some more of her products to see how like a wash and go will go and like a twist out. You guys know I love my African pride, but yeah, I have not been able to use the whole collection of African pride, which I do plan on doing one day for a video, but I have to purchase the items as I see them. I refuse to buy things online if I can just go to the store because I don't want to pay shipping. So if I'm just in the store, I normally just stop and browse and see what I can see. So I have a couple of items here, but once I get the whole collection, then of course I'll do the video for you guys. But I love it. I can't wait to wear wash and go this summer. And I'll for sure use these products before I do it. This, wow, my hair is gonna be so stinking cute. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video off here. Wow, yeah, my curls are coming back to life. But in my next video, I do plan on using a different deep conditioner because I just need an go-to deep conditioner. This is a good deep conditioner protein treatment, don't get me wrong. But I need something that's going to allow me to use more often than a protein treatment. So yeah, I guess we're back to square one. Not really, we're back to square two because I did like this product. It's just not something I just wouldn't use every time I washed my hair. So I'm going to end this video off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to style my hair in the next video. So if you see me with the same undershirt on, you know why. Actually, I'll probably put a t-shirt on. But I'm going to style my hair in the next video. That way I can knock out 2 videos in one day. So guys, I'll see you in the next video. And thanks for watching. Bye.